चेहरा, I was like, wow, क्या सुंदर लग रही है.
मेरी मॉम ने मुझे सो नहीं दिया है जब तक सारे एपिसोड में खत्म नहीं किए.
You always have a dream ना कि कुछ तो magical, sci-fi करना ही है. That is on your checklist in your life. So this was my checklist point. I was like कि ऐसा तो मुझे करना ही है. I think अब सबकी fantasy होनी चाहिए कि हमारे जैसी elemental powers चाहिए.
About Urvashi ma'am and Barkha ma'am, they are such sweethearts. They're lovely to work with. I've learned so much from them.
Well, नया तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आएंगी because I think 2025 is full of surprises for me. You'll see very, very big things coming.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
वेल पावर ऑफ 5 में से 2 पावर हमारे साथ मौजूद है आज यहाँ पे इंडिया फोरम्स पे, पर मुझे 5वें शक्ति के बारे में पता नहीं है, तो मैं उसके बारे में आपसे पूछूंगी. बिफोर दैट, वेलकमिंग रीवा अरोरा एंड जयवीर जुनेजा इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी ऑन इंडिया फोरम्स. हेलो, हाउ आर यू गाइस डूइंग?
Amazing as usual because आज हमारा शो रिलीज हुआ है. I think we are overwhelmed, excited and बहुत कुछ mixed feelings.
रात को नींद आई है ढंग से?
रात को तो बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आई है.
I
haven't
slept at
slept at all.
4:30 a.m.
Really? क्या कर रहे थे रात भर? You reading the comments?
No, I was watching my own show. I was looking at my चेहरा. I was like, wow, क्या सुंदर लग रही है.
मेरी मॉम ने मुझे सो नहीं दिया है जब तक सारे एपिसोड में खत्म नहीं किए. She has not let me sleep. My dad, mom, दादा सबने साथ बैठ के देखा है.
Wonderful यार.
वैसे you said that we have 2 powers, but you have to watch my show ना.
क्या हमें नहीं पता है पास.
मेरा क्या सीक्रेट है मेरे लिए, तो उसके लिए तो शो देखना पड़ेगा.
Does she have powers?
Exactly,
इसका
that's the
पता नहीं है
question.
अभी. We don't know
That
about
is a
her.
question.
We don't know about her.
It's a secret. उसके लिए
मैंने भी नहीं देखा है अब तक, तो मेरे लिए भी ये क्वेश्चन मार्क है, बट आई विल बिंज वॉच क्योंकि मुझे काम दे देते हैं ना ये थोड़ा सा. वेल मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी, जब ऐसा कोई शो आता है ना, व्हेन इट्स फिक्शन एंड वी रीड अबाउट पावर्स, वी आर सीइंग ये सब चीजें जो बचपन में हमें शोज की याद दिलाता है, लाइक सोनपरी, हातिम. तो जब आपको ये स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर हुई थी, तो डिड यू रिलेट टू सम शोज बैक देन, या फिर व्हाट वाज द इनिशियल थॉट दिमाग में?
I think when you always have a dream ना कि कुछ तो magical, sci-fi करना ही है, that is on your checklist in your life. So this was my checklist point. I was like कि ऐसा तो मुझे करना ही है. And when I got this role, Bela, I just instantly felt connected to her. I was like, no, this I have to do, because the way she is, you'll see so much happening with her, but still how she keeps herself intact.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so many layers to this character, and I mean, Bela is just a part of my life now.
Wonderful. Jerry, what about you?
Yeah, I mean, of course, I've been into the fantasy genre for a long time. As a kid, also growing up, these are powers like the shows, Marvel and everything. I've been very much into that. So when this was offered, this was very exciting, of course, because these are the things that you grow up to. And I अभी भी अगर वो देखता हूँ हातिम, Hero, and those shows, so I've grown up to those things. Those are cult classics, and to be a part of something which could potentially be that for other like children or whoever, like
This generation,
so this will be great, right? Like.
इफ यू गाइज आस्क मी, तो मेरा तो ड्रीम था कि वो शाकालाका बूम बूम वाली पेंसिल मेरे पास होनी चाहिए. आप लोगों की ऐसी कौन सी फैंटेसी है?
I think अब सबकी फैंटेसी होनी चाहिए कि हमारे जैसी एलिमेंटल पावर्स चाहिए.
वंडरफुल. वेल इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आपके पास है वायु वाली पावर, यू नो, है ना, रियल लाइफ में. ठीक है, आई विल जस्ट गिव यू ये प्रोबेबिलिटी. एक पावर इन एलिमेंट्स से अगर सच में आपको चाहिए होगी, तो वो कौन सी होगी और उसका इस्तेमाल आप किस लिए करेंगे?
Well, you want to say or should I say? मेरा पहले.
You say.
Well, I have many reasons why I would want this power. I think I want every power, but I would want to be the 5th element.
See, very smart.
Because why not?
Giving it up.
Because why not? And I would want to be the fire element also.
Yeah.
The reason why? Because जो problem है उसको जला दो यार सीधा. Why not?
Ouch. प्रॉब्लम है तो जला दो. सो मेनी ऑफ एक्सेस माइट हैव गॉटन बर्न्ड. ये सब सुन के ना, प्रॉब्लम है तो जला दो यार रिवा.
Exactly.
I wish there was any X, no?
Now that I think about it, yeah, you in real life you're more like a fire element.
Yeah, see, no?
Yeah?
What element do you wish for?
I think I'm pretty happy with Vayu. Air element, it suits my personality and like, you know, cool, collected, very airy, flowy. That's how I like it. Yeah, I think air sounds good.
Yeah, pollution
और
भी साफ करेगा अभी.
जहाँ ये आग लगाएगी मैं उनको बुझाता भी जाऊंगा. थोड़ा वो
हवा मारेगा.
डैमेज कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है.
हवा मारेगा, बढ़ जाएगी, वाइल्ड फायर हो जाएगी.
Well guys, it also has a very interesting ensemble cast, है ना. उर्वशी ढोलकिया मैम, बरखा बिस्ट, Would you guys like to share some experiences या फिर BTS moments कुछ fun वगैरह, क्योंकि you know usually ऐसे होता है when you are into your power, कुछ actions कर रहे हो ऐसे, तो serious scenes करते करते कभी हंसी छूट जाए, कोई पीछे से कुछ prompt करे, तो ऐसा कुछ BTS होगा आपके दिमाग में?
I think there was this one scene that I remember two scenes. So one scene was कि सबका close चल रहा है and we are talking. It's like a full talking serious scene. सब एकदम देख के बात कर रहे हैं with a straight face. It's a very serious discussion. And हम सब बात कर रहे हैं and एकदम से our director sir, Jeetu sir, played a song. And we burst out laughing. And that song was not at all related to the scene. कुछ अलग ही dance number बज गया. And I remember we couldn't stop laughing. हमने 10-15 टेक के everybody still laughing. उसी बात को देख के we are like straight, okay? And then जैसे वो तो we burst out laughing again.
Was it planned या ऐसे ही आप लोगों के reactions के लिए played it?
He played it randomly.
He would always do these kind of random things.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
About Urvashi ma'am and Barkha ma'am, they are such sweethearts. They're lovely to work with. I've learned so much from them. And initially मुझे याद है तो I think हमारा second day of shoot था where I had to do a scene with Urvashi ma'am. And I was so nervous, obviously, you know, because I've seen her on screen.
Yeah.
Like presenting whatever she's been playing, and I was so intimidated कि यार ये तो कुछ गलती करी तो गए. But हाँ, exactly. मुझे लगा था एक गलती हुई अब तो खत्म कर देगी मुझे जगह पे. But she was very supportive. She's, I think I like to believe I was her favorite.
Oh my
She
god.
might
I
agree
like
to
to
it. She
believe.
might agree to it. I don't know.
We'll ask her about this.
I love her, and Barkha ma'am also is amazing. There was so much to learn from her.
Yeah, when we worked with
She's
them,
so
no?
cool, yeah, Barkha ma'am, right?
Both of them are so cool. We partied with them. Imagine. अभी I had a recent interview with them and everybody was asking us the same question कि age gap है, ये एक generation gap है. We
Feel
said
नहीं
हमारा
होता.
feel नहीं होता कि हम
Feel नहीं
generation
होता
gap है या age gap है.
Literally.
Because we are so like, you know, when we went on set, we used to make a पूरा ऐसा झुंड बना के हम उनको घेर लेते थे. And we used to, you know, एकदम से सब उनको questions पूछने लग जाते थे कि what we should do, and it was all shoot related. And they never said no. They used to always help us out.
Yeah.
That was
Always,
the sweetest
always,
part.
always.
They both are sweethearts.
So many times when I couldn't speak up about things, they've stood up for me also. They've always had our backs.
Wow, wonderful.
Yeah.
And touchwood for that bond जो है ये जो आप लोगों के बीच में.
Yeah.
वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं, मैं जो टीजर देख रही थी इसके नीचे comments I was reading, no, everyone was so excited because this is something very new, है ना?
Yeah.
ये चीजें हम नहीं देखने मिलते आजकल. We see a lot of crime drama, a lot of thriller, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा नया है. अगर नए की मैं बात करूँ तो पावर ऑफ 5 के बाद आप दोनों के लाइफ में अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में नया क्या देखने मिलेगा?
Well, नया तो बहुत सारी चीजें आएंगे because I think 2025 is full of surprises for me. You'll see very, very big things coming for me, and I think one big thing for us also.
One big thing for us.
One big
Yeah.
thing.
Wonderful.